If you want to eat rats, you gotta catch them. But if you want to catch them, you need a trap. But the thing is, we don't want to kill them, we want a live trap. So we got one right here. We got this thing off Temu, and it goes on top of a bucket, so just assemble it. Alright, good thing I came with instructions, I have no idea how this would work. Alright, so it's not too hard. I'm not sure why it's got a kiddie face though. Alright, so those. Go on here. First part done. On top of here apparently. So oh gee, that was a lot harder than I was expecting it to be, not gonna lie. Alright, it's time for the next step. Get these things. Okay, that doesn't look too hard. Oh, there you go. I figured it out. Don't get anything. There you go. So I'm guessing when they come through, they're gonna step on that and they're gonna fall in. But I'm guessing what's gonna happen. Like that. Yeah. I'm guessing these go in here.
Okay, so we'll stick them on once we find the bucket then, eh?
Yeah. We gotta go find a bucket. That's not what I have to say, isn't it? Back with the bucket. Now, I'm guessing we just kind of just
Do you need a bigger bucket?
I need a bigger bucket. I found a bigger bucket. I'm hoping this is right size this time. Fits perfectly. Let's go. Alright, now we're gonna chuck on the ladder, the ladders. 1. Two. There's a trap. Of course we went with the classic cheese, or for all you posh people out there, cheese. Nothing wrong with cheese, you know? And we've got this stuff that nobody likes. It's like a rip-off Nutella. Yeah. Just gonna use this, it's kind of like glue. So that it...
Oh, too heavy. Better wipe some off. Put too much on.
I barely put any on, man.
Okay, so you gotta put even less. Okay, bring it back.
Very small amount of cheese at a time.
Put the cheese on the other side.
I can put a little bit at the end.
Yeah, okay.
One piece there, let's check one more piece on the other side.
And you can put a little bit even at the very front of it, so it gets a little taste first. Yeah, that's right. Like Hansel and Gretel.
Can't think about it. They don't deserve a very big cheese. And a couple on the other side.
Yeah, if you put a big piece on this end of it, that'll help keep the weight down.
Yeah, you could. But at the same time, you don't want them to have a very big taste because they'll get full and then they can't be bothered to come and get into the extra trap.
Yeah.
So I'm going to chuck back a little bit to the nom nom. Yeah, nom nom.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I think it's done, but what do I do with the rest of the cheese?
Eat it.
Alright. Really need one ladder. I've got the ladder. So, just clip it onto the trap. There we go. And it could also come up from here, so. All set. Now, we play the waiting game.